Today you will be learning how to make this beautiful safety slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this triangle shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Increase the size and place it over here. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Go to Rotate and flip vertical. Place it over here like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Rotate it 90 degree. Keep it over here. Reduce the size like this and place it over here. Let me hold down the Ctrl key. Select this one, and this shape. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Union. Now I have to insert a picture from my computer. Go to Insert Picture, this device, select this picture, click on Insert, place the picture like this. Make sure it covers the entire shape. Click on right button, send it to back. Increase the picture size, then select the picture, hold down the Shift key and select the rectangle. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape and click on Intersect. Now I have to add another shape. Go to Insert Shape, pick this triangle shape, drag it over here, rotate it like this. Place it over here. Go to Shape Outline, no outline, Shape Fill and select this fill color. Again go to Insert Shape, pick this rounded corner rectangle shape, drag it over here, sharp it. Go to Shape Outline, no outline, Shape Fill. Select this fill color. Select this one and change the fill color to this. Let me write here. Select it, change the font to lemon milk. Select this one, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here. Go to Shape Format, Shape Outline, this color, Shape Fill, no fill. Make it this kind and reduce the size. Place it over here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and place a copy over here. Now I have to add another text. Insert Shape text box, drag it over here, place your text here, change the font to the bold font, increase the font size. Let me select this text, go to Text Fill and select this fill color. Actually, go to Insert Shape, pick another text box, drag it over here, paste it, change it to Laura. Make it italic, place it over here, select it, change the color and here this is perfect. Now let me watch the slideshow and here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. If you are very lazy to make this slide, just check the description. Thank you.